If you want to know how to buy shares of Select Water Solutions, Inc., this quick video walks through the practical steps. Select Water Solutions focuses on industrial water treatment and modular purification systems and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker WTTR. This is educational content, not financial advice. To trade WTTR, you will need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will generally need to verify your identity with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker WTTR to locate the listing. Confirm you Select Water Solutions, Inc. on NASDAQ from the results to ensure it is the correct asset. On the asset page, review basic company details and the price chart to check recent activity and liquidity. Make sure the page shows Select Water Solutions, Inc. alongside the WTTR ticker before proceeding. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm if everything looks correct. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading resumes, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once your order executes, the WTTR position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, I placed a link to eToro in the description below.